आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज।
वफा की तस्वीरों तुम्हें वतन की हवाएं सलाम कहती हैं।
Yom-e-Shuhada police were observed at the police headquarters in Islamabad paying tribute to the sacrifices of the Shuhada. The occasion was attended by Jamil Ahmed Hashmi, AIG, Log and Headquarters. The families of the Shuhada of Headquarters Zone and all staff posted at the headquarters also attended the event. Shuhada Salami was presented and a wreath was laid at the Yadgari Shuhada. A dua was offered and the AIG paid tribute to the sacrifices of the Shuhada. The event ended with the families of the Shuhada being presented with shields, cash and gift hampers.